Hey loves, now if you pay attention to this video that I just played, you find out that the main thing that is causing issue between Onyeka and her sister is this Mbadiwes twins. Do you understand? This Chizoba now is trying to see it like the Mbadiwes twins are now the center of attraction in her sister's life because of the feeling she has for OZEE. Do you understand? It's always everything she's doing, she tries to carry him, especially along in whatever thing she's doing. Now, on the other hand, Onyeka is feeling like Chizoba is already absent-minded with the whole her and Ben thing. While she's busy having sleepless nights in the stuff that she's going to do in the wager task, and her sister is busy playing love with Ben and all of that, then she will come back to request for, bigger role. And the reason why Chizoba felt like her role was smaller, she said one of the twins said that her role is smaller role. So now her sister was trying to tell her that they are joking. How did she know that it's a smaller role? Okay, they said it out of joke. You didn't come to ask her. That you would have asked her. Now you will see between these two sisters that Onyeka is more outspoken than her sister. I don't know if it's because of her profession. Do you understand? We assume that tech people are always nerds, and then the lawyers, they are always there. They are too loud. Do you understand? So any little thing that her sister says, she starts crying. That's her kind of person. People should not misunderstand her because that's the way she's created. But then again, two wrongs don't make right. So if you're trying to settle for siblings, you have to be in between. Onyeka is somehow wrong, and Chizoba is also wrong because she has been doing all these things, sleepless night, and then you're there. You didn't really participate well to support your sister. Now you're complaining that she gave you a small role, which you are not yet sure because you heard it from the twins. Do you understand? But I know that what she's feeling is that, oh, everything that is happening now is the twins that will know first before her, that kind of thing. But the question is, were you there when she was doing all these things? Then if she now overlook you and now face the twins, then you know that she intentionally knows what she's doing, even though I know that she still has something for that OZEE. That's why she's always carrying him along. Do you understand? So that's what I see in between these sisters. By the way, it's her birthday, and then you trying to tell her all these things is more like ruining her day. And this wager tax, you can't be telling her all these things today because you guys are presenting this thing today, and then she will be overwhelmed. Imagine after doing this thing and they now lose their wager. I don't pray for that though, but she's going to break down. So you just have to support her now that she's doing this until it is over. Then you can pour out your this thing. It's looking out like you guys are competing. Well, it's normal, you guys are actually competing. But carry, just support her as your sister and do the needful. That's what I feel. So let's see what people have to say. So this person said Onyeka is always so controlling towards her elder sister. Me, I will not cry for my younger sister. She go collect woto with my mouth alone. This Chizoba has not been a good sister to Onyeka in that house. Okay, I don't understand them all. These ones carry their bad character and sibling rivalry from home to national TV. Onyeka, for one, never respects her elder sister, and from experience, it's always when there is visible favoritism from home by one parent. Okay, I didn't look at it at this angle. Person who was doing laundry and eating noodles, then cuddling man 2 days, she should get out. You can see them in my screen. You see that people have something about Onyeka, and then Chizoba too. This person say, waiting, they worry this Chizoba herself. She's beginning to annoy me, blah blah blah. Why does it feel like Chizoba is in a competition with her sister? It's not just Chizoba. I feel like even Onyeka sometimes does not give her that respect as an elder sister. Don't quote me wrong, but I see that too. So next person is, I blame Chizoba for allowing her junior sister senior her. Chizoba is very difficult. Onyeka is stressed out, not sleeping for 2 days. Today is her birthday. Which one be bigger role? Auntie Chizoba, you are very difficult to handle. If not for your sister, you shouldn't be in the house. Okay guys, what do you guys actually think? I'd also like to know your opinion in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Bye.